Beginners out there are still finding it difficult to play simple major scale, whether F, G, C, or whatever major scale. Okay, so in this video I'll be guiding you to tips you need to know so that when you reach to the intermediate or advanced, you won't find it difficult to play simple rounds or simple legs because you didn't learn it at the beginning course. Okay, try and watch the video to the end because I'll be sharing you 2 or 3 tips you need to know before you can become better you playing your major scale. Okay, so I want you to grab a base and let's begin with the tutorial. I remember back then when I started learning how to play bass, when I started playing my do re mi like this, do, when I'll play my do here and find my re here around here and find my la and find my so, I was just playing it just because I know where the do and the re is, but that is wrong. These fingers you see here helps us to play the do re mi, that is your 1 2 3 note, perfectly. Okay, and mostly every major scale has 3 shapes, and the second shape is what we normally use as a beginner, but you might find some bass player playing crazy things you cannot even find in the fretboard. That is because maybe he's using the first shape, he's combining them with the second and third shape. At least he's even playing all of the shape together, so you won't understand. Okay, so if you want to know more about that shape and want to use them very well, I have a beginner's video pack. You'll see the link in the description below. Click on the link, then you get the videos. Okay, we'll be looking at key G. Imagine you want to play your do re mi fa sol la ti do. You play it anyhow. It is wrong. Okay, so the right way to play your do re mi fa sol la ti do is using your numbers, using your fingers to indicate every note. Okay, so maybe this is your 1 2 3 4 because we use only these 4 fingers to play the notes. Okay, so note that when you want to play your root notes on your major scale, your middle finger plays the do, you understand. Okay, and also if you want to play your re, so you have middle finger, 4th finger, okay, second finger, your 4th finger. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to do every rounds or every lick you'll be occupying in that second shape. Okay, so do re mi, so now your first finger plays your mi, your second finger plays your fa, your 4th finger plays your so, the same first finger plays your la, so now your 3rd finger is playing your ti, your 4th finger is playing your do. Okay, so practice with this in every major scale you find in your fretboard. Okay, so that it will be difficult for you that when you want to play something easy, you just don't know the right fingers to use. For example, I have learned how to use it. You see, I find it easy to do whatever I want to do. You understand? So something like that. When you master how to use the fingers in the correct way, try and do it in the whole major scale. When you reach a level where you're supposed to play simple things, this won't disturb you. Then you will have to go back and start learning how to place the right finger on the right note. You understand me? Okay, so the second thing is there is this exercise that will help you as a beginner. You understand? Mostly when I see on YouTube, they just take it straightforward. They don't show you how to start from the beginning to the end. Okay, so many bass players, especially the beginners, are finding it difficult to even practice with it. Okay, and it is called the chromatic scale. Okay, when I started learning the chromatic scale, as I said earlier, I saw the person just doing. You understand? But if you want to start so that when you start it can sustain in your fingers, don't just start with the 4 notes, or they do something like this, whatever. Okay, I just want to do it in the same pattern. Okay, as a beginner, if you want to start, first you need the metronome and start with just 2 notes, maybe from the top or from the down. Okay, so just do it 2 notes to all your fret. Okay, this exercise alone can help you play a lick. So something like using your 2-note. You see, I'm using the 2-note alone because I've practiced it very well. You understand? Okay, so when you've done with the 2-note, you understand, then now you can move to the 3-note. You understand? Okay, but try here, I'm just playing it very fast. Okay, but if you're a beginner, try and take it slowly. You understand? And if you never came across this, learn it very well. Okay, take it slow. Okay, you can try and doing it in each string. You understand? Okay, then lastly you come to the 4th one, or you can do it like this. You understand? Okay, so I'm just guiding you so that you won't just take your bass and be playing the 4th one, and later when you have to apply this in a groove, playing just 3 won't be hard for you. Okay, so start with 2-note, second 3-note, then lastly 4-note. You understand? Then you can master them all, then you can use them. Okay, if you see, recently I did a video. In the second step, I was applying 3-note. You understand? Because I've mastered it. Okay, and the first step I was applying 4-note. You understand? Okay, and the last one is very necessary. Okay, so you're a beginner and you want to memorize your fretboard, and you want to know where your do, where your A, where you understand. So let's say we are playing on key C. This is the trick I used when I started learning bass guitar on my own. When I'm on my root note, I just want to make sure that I know the do re mi on that 3rd string alone. You understand? Okay, try and memorize them too. So you have do re mi fa. So now I know my do re mi fa. Okay, fa mi re do re mi fa, sol la ti do. Okay, so now I have mastered my do ti la so fa mi re do. You understand? Okay, try in every note, even in your G, try and memorize them. It helps a lot, either in your root or octave. Try and learn them. Okay, you understand? Okay, so I think these are the few steps I got for you, and if you want to know more, you can just hit me on my Patreon and we can do live video on that, or you can just DM me on my private lesson. You see the link in the comment section below, so that you can know more and more about you being a very good bass player. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.